Most learners know words they can use. They read them. They understand them. They remember them. But when it is time to speak, something changes. The word disappears. The mind goes blank. Even a simple idea feels difficult. If this happens, do not worry. You are not bad at English. You are not slow. Your brain has not practiced bringing words out fast enough. Because knowing a word is one skill. Using it in a sentence is another skill. When you read English, there is no pressure. The word is in front of you. But when you speak, your brain must find the word and build the sentence. That is why easy words disappear. Not because you do not know them, but because your speaking needs training. The first habit is stop memorizing lonely words. Many learners write words like this: important, improve, comfortable, confident. But your brain does not speak in single words. It speaks in small phrases. So do not only learn important, learn this is important for me. Do not only learn improve. Learn I want to improve my English. This makes speaking easier because a sentence is ready. The second habit is to connect words with real situations. If you learn expensive, imagine a phone in a shop. Then say, this phone is too expensive. If you learn appointment, imagine your calendar. Then say, I have an appointment tomorrow. When a word connects to a situation, your brain remembers it faster because language is experience. The third habit is quick word recall. Choose one easy topic: food, school, work, family. Speak about it for 1 minute. Do not stop. Do not chase perfect grammar. Just keep going. For example, I like spicy food. I eat rice often. My favorite food is pizza. This teaches your brain to search while speaking. At first, you will pause. That is normal. After a few days, words will come faster. Your brain will stop waiting. It will start reacting. The fourth habit is to describe the word you forget. When learners forget one word, they stop. But fluent speakers do not stop. They explain the idea another way. If you forget wallet, say, the thing where I keep my money. If you forget charger, say, the thing I use for my phone battery. This keeps conversation moving. It shows one missing word does not have to break your confidence. You can still explain. The fifth habit is to repeat useful sentences every day. Some sentences are emergency tools for English learners. Give me a second. I forgot the word. Let me explain it another way. Practice them aloud. Use them until they feel natural. When your mind goes blank, these lines give you time. They keep you inside the conversation. The final habit is to learn fewer words and use them more. Many learners try to learn many new words every day, but if you do not use them, they fade. It is better to learn 5 useful words and use them. Use them while walking. Use them while thinking. A word becomes yours when you can use it without stress. Stop measuring English by words you know. Measure it by words you can use. Forgetting words while speaking is not failure. It is part of fluency training. The solution is to practice recall, learn phrases, connect words to situations. Speak for 1 minute every day. Describe words when you forget them. Repeat useful sentences. Use your vocabulary again and again. One day, someone will ask you a question in English. This time, your mind will not freeze. The word will come faster. The sentence will continue. You were not missing English. You were missing practice. Fluency is not about knowing every word. It is about using the words you know with confidence.